Hey everyone, this is Jimmy, and I'm going to be showing you how to make fettuccine alfredo. Alright, so this is all the ingredients we're going to need for today. First, we're going to wash our hands, alright? We're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and cook our chicken. One tablespoon. And saute our onions a bit. I'm going to add in some garlic, let it cook for about half a minute. We're going to add 3.5 cups of half and half cream and bring it to a boil. So this is 2. And then this will be 3.5. Okay, now that we've let it simmer for about 10 minutes, we're going to add our chicken back in. And then we're going to season it with some salt, pepper, and some parsley.